All right, nurses, let's address the new tablet system. I know there's been a learning curve. The primary goal of this system is to streamline patient data access and improve efficiency. You can input vital signs, medication administration, and progress notes directly.
What about patient allergies? How do we ensure they're clearly visible?
Excellent question. The allergy information is displayed prominently in red at the top of the patient profile. Also, there's a function to flag severe allergies for quick reference during medication administration.
I'm worried about battery life. What if the tablet dies during a code blue?
We anticipated that. The tablets have extended battery life and can be quickly swapped. In Code Blue, we prioritize paper charts as a backup, but the tablet data will be synced once the emergency is over.
Will there be training for everyone? I'm still struggling with the medication module.
Absolutely. We're rolling out mandatory training sessions next week. There will also be online tutorials and a dedicated help desk. Remember, this system is a tool to enhance patient care, not a hindrance. Let's focus on adapting and utilizing its full potential.
Understanding how you feel, MIHIRA, is the most important part of making sure you get better as quickly as possible. While we expect some discomfort as you heal, any shift in the type or intensity of that pain acts like a vital signal from your body that we need to listen to closely. By monitoring these changes, we can tell if the current treatment is working exactly as it should or if your body is trying to alert us to something new, such as a secondary infection. Sometimes a change in pain can mean that the initial issue is evolving or that a different approach is needed to keep you comfortable and safe. It is so important that you feel empowered to communicate even the smallest changes to us right away. Whether the pain feels sharper, moves to a different area, or simply isn't fading as expected, sharing those details allows us to stay ahead of any complications. MIHIRA, you don't have to push through worsening discomfort on your own. Keeping us informed ensures we can adjust your care plan precisely to your needs. Your voice is a key part of your recovery, and we are here to listen and support you every step of the way.